Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Kakre and I am a student of Bachelor's of Pharmacy. While studying in this field, I noticed that the medical science is developing really fast every day. Why? Because we all need a healthy society. But what does healthy society mean? And are we really a part of healthy society? Well, we all know about Priyanka Reddy, a girl from Hyderabad who was doctor by profession, was raped and murdered by four illiterate people. Well, this is really hard to call this society a safe place to live. If you notice our society nowadays, you will realize that the cases against women like domestic violence, harassment, physical abuse and rape cases are increasing. Then who is responsible for the situation of the society? It is really hard to believe, but according to the literacy rate of 2011, only 65% women in our country are educated. More than 80% women in our country have no awareness about self-defense. They have no awareness about their fundamental rights and the importance of education. While living in this society, everyone wants a woman to be Sarva Guna Sampanna, what we call it as an all-rounder woman. But what does all-rounder woman mean? Is it just limited up to the house and the family? No. A Sarvaguna Sampanna woman is someone who can take her decisions, who can stand for herself, who have respect in the society, who is fearless, who is confident, and who can achieve her dreams. Then how can we make the society a fearless place for a woman? There are many ways that we can make this change possible by making camps in the school about the self-defense where all girls should learn how to fight for themselves. We can arrange counseling programs where every girl should talk about the problems that she cannot discuss with her family. Every girl should understand the difference between good and bad touch, and not just a woman, not just a girl, but every mother should teach their son how to respect and give equality to a girl, to a woman. Saina Nehwal, PV Sindhu, Sakshi Malik. These are not just the names we read in the newspapers and TVs, but these are the personalities who have inspired the whole generation. They work for their dreams, they work hard and achieve what they really deserve. Everyone should take inspiration from them. I know that no individual can change this society and make this society better, but me, you, and anyone who can relate this, who have the values of social duty, if we all come together and try and put our efforts toward the society values, we can definitely create a better society. Always remember that education is the most powerful weapon. If we can give the equality of paper and pen to every gender, we can definitely make this society a better place and a fearless place to live. Thank you.